Hey there, Stampers. This is Sherry Roth with StampedTreasures.com. I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Sherwood Park, Alberta, and I'm excited to be here to share with you a class in the mail, a scrapbook class in the mail that I'm offering. It will be available from November 1st till November 10th, and it uses brand new product that is available November 1st, 2018 until November 30th, 2018, or while supplies last, whichever comes first. So it's definitely a time-sensitive thing. So let's talk about the product first. So the product or the pages will be using these products. So there's 2 stamp sets that are available. These aren't in any of our publications. Like I said, they are available exclusively this month. The Happiness Surrounds stamp set, the Snow is Glistening stamp set. So this one is winter / Christmassy themed, and this one is basically something that you can use year round. So we are going to do a 2-page spread that is more winter, Christmas kind of themed, and then a 2-page spread that is kind of an everyday thing using this set. And the great thing about this is there's coordinating framelits. This is one set of framelits, so you get all of this. They're called the Snowfall Thinlits, and they coordinate with both of these stamp sets. Okay, so you can see here that this image coordinates with this. It also coordinates with this. This one goes with this one. There's leaves in here, tons of snowflakes, this beautiful large one, and then this flurry of snowflakes. It's such a beautiful framelit set, or thinlit set. The other products that are available as part of this collection is some 12 by 12 white velvet paper and snowfall trinkets. And these are, they can be used as trinkets or snowfalls, so snowflakes, sorry, or you can use them in the center of flowers as well. Okay, so what are the options here? Let's see here. Option number 1 is the I Want It All option. So it will include the entire Snowflake Showcase product offering. So that includes the 2 stamp sets, the coordinating framelits, the snowflake trinkets, and the white velvet sheets. That's $118.75 value before shipping and GST. It will also include all the pre-cut supplies and instructions to make 6 scrapbook layouts. Here are 4 of them. So these are the traditional layouts, and then there will be 2 pocket page layouts as well. So this is a little peek at them. Okay, like I said, so one of the 2-page spreads is an everyday kind of page spread, and then one is Christmas / winter themed, and then there will be 2 pocket pages as well. The pocket pages are not included, so you'll need those pages of your own. So that option comes to $138. That includes shipping and tax, but that does not include the kit shipped to you. So if you are not local to me and you need the kit shipped to you, shipping will be extra. And it works out that the supplies and the tutorial are actually free in that option. Okay. Option 2 includes the velvet sheets. So a package of the 12 by 12 velvet sheets, a package of the snowflake trinkets, all additional supplies and the instructions to create all of the 6 layouts. And the fee for that is $45 plus shipping if needed. So that option is great if you were a demonstrator and you've already ordered these products, or if you own something similar that you want to use. Okay, and then option 3 is for anybody who might be outside of Canada, because I can't ship supplies outside of Canada. That is the step-by-step tutorial to create all of the layouts, including the supplies that are needed, dimensions, everything. The cost for that option is $25. And I'll show you the additional supplies that I used. I used 4 ink colors. So I used Petal Pink, I used Grapefruit Grove, Mint Macaron, and Tranquil Tide. So those are the 4 colors that I used to create the layouts. You'll need these supplies. So none of these snowflakes will be or any of the flowers or anything will be pre-cut for you. I'm assuming that you have these if you are not choosing a bundle that includes those. And then for the titles, I used the line alphabet set, but not the framelits, just the stamp set, and the smaller alphabet from the Pick a Pennant. So if you've got the labeler alphabet, or if you've got something similar in size to these two, then that will work just fine. Okay, so those are the options. I will include links to where you can find out more information in the description of this video. And remember that option 1 and 2 are available to request until November 10th, but then anything after that, the only option that will be available after November 10th is option 3, which is the tutorial only, that you'll be able to purchase directly from my website. All right, so thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next month.